be changing out this blade using this kit. Now it's loose. Now, yeah, that's a tight fit. So strangely, it's a there, loose. There. This is expensive. Should I keep it locked or not? First, raise it up. It's right behind here. This one. I don't know why they have to be so. Finally broke that stupid.
You see it?
So right, see, Lucy. So first, I hold down the blade holder and make it drop. There it goes, dropped. Now right, see, Lucy, right? Why is it so damn tight? Well, maybe is it the other way?
Counterclockwise.
There it goes. There it goes. Right C, Lucy, and left C. It's the opposite.
Is it the opposite?
Uh-huh. So at least you got it off there.
Yeah.
Now,
You got
take off this
right.
carbide construction grade. And this is a perma shield coated, fine finished Italian Diablo. So these are very expensive. There it is. Holds it like that, and then lefty tighty, the opposite.
Really? Okay.
So now I flip this, make it engage again. And righty, loosey, lefty, tighty. There, one. There. Impact driving, that's required. Ready?
Let me hold this up. Okay.
Oh, it's deadly.
What's not in it?
Almost.
Oh. What? Oh, that's real bad. Yeah, there it is, here. Here, it should be there. That is deadly. Well, that one's in.
There.
Are you in now?
Now it's in, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna...
All right, there we go.
Now I would have sheared that thing right off, wouldn't
Yes, it would have. You're like, why is this?
This is basically a brand new blade.
I'm sure he would need it. He would use it.
I think he might need it more than we do.
All right. Now do you have your guard? See how it's flat on two sides? There you go. Now it's on.
This is the same thing. It's right. I gotta pull this away.
Oh, but this has to be on there, doesn't it?
lefty tighty. You push it until your lock falls. Lefty tighty. And then.
Does this hook to there?
You see this hook?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like I did. There, I bent it back. That bastard.
We're just trying to hold it.
Where's that stupid cranker? Now I flip it back to righty tighty. There. Now, spin in the right direction. So this one is good for it's a brand new blade. Oh no, they can cut this long. This will be the test of how long it can cut.
Oh, you don't have to.
Guide to 0. That's the ugly end. That's the ugly end. The CH. So this is how it hooks up. Are you ready?
Okay. So take this and put it back on your desk.
So this is a 3/8 line and a 1/2 inch line. That's a 1/2 inch high pressure line. So this line, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tee off here and join here for easier access. So watch this. I push. Do undo both of them. Push. This 1/2 inch
Goes in the bottom.
goes in the bottom. As little as possible. There.
I meant maybe you should have it kind of like that, right?
So about like that, maybe. About like that. That feeds in here. And then there. There. See, pull it a little bit, and then you put the lock in. Little travel as possible. And then that goes like that.
So is that it? That wasn't bad at all.
So now, this, to be careful, don't cut the line, is this. That's for solenoid valve.
Oh, we'll get you a different one. All right.
Again, right here, about right there.
Do you
Is that plugged in?
Yeah, it's plugged in. Be good. You need another zip tie? Or is that going to be enough? Here's the smaller box behind you. That's not on over there. Do you have to turn that on first?
Yeah, to turn it on.
Measure the pressure.
So that's the inlet pressure, very low, 30. I think it's supposed to, it has to be at least over 30. Oh, it's going at 100 right now.
What did you think now?
I just set it to 145. The time is 9.
Look, it's almost.
You think maybe it's 9? Maybe it's 9:12 that it started. Normally it's been taking 18 minutes to fill.
Well,
So it's definitely higher pressure.
yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely much higher pressure. But the weird thing is that the inlet pressure is below 30, which is below recommended. The feed pressure is going over 150. That's too high. I'm gonna dial it down.
It's almost half full.
So like right there. So let's keep an eye on that feed pressure. Now it's massively boosted. So in about, 3 minutes it's half full. So this thing's gonna fill up in 6 minutes. That is the Growonix BP6010CH water booster pump. We'll do half an ml right here. That's roughly half. I want to swish out any little substance.
But are you diluting it?
So I can sweep the corners and crevices of glass for any 1 millimeter, 1 ml. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do about. It's gonna be
The end of it?
It's the last of it. That's why I'm switching it up.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm injecting air.
It should just fire it right back.
It doesn't. Why not?
I don't know. Because it's such a small bore needle.
So as it gets to the end, I'm gonna start sucking right there. I think I got every bit of it there, so here it goes down.
And alcohol in your belly.
Bauer 6.5 inch circular saw for $21. Arbor Freight on a return as is offer. $21 plus tax, like maybe $23. I went and bought this blade for like, was it 13 bucks? This thing was jammed in here. Could not get it off because this center screw was stripped. So I took an angle grinder, cut these flats on each side, and I took a 15 millimeter bolt, and with an impact driver on reverse, I was able to pull it out, or in forward, I was able to pull it out. This is a 5/8 arbor. So I think this is a left-hand screw, so it goes tight when I go left. I would assume I'm going to put oil on it. I'm going to right Z. So now I need to recharge that. Get the job done.